Scott Drever is President and Director of Vancouver-based SilverCrest Mines, which is a pure silver development and exploration company traded on the TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol SVL. Thanks for joining me, Scott. How are you today?
Hi, Heather. It's my pleasure, I'm sure.
Now, SilverCrest Mines is a relatively new junior resource company. What do you attribute your company's success to?
I attribute our success particularly to the people involved, the fact that we established specific goals and focused on a particular commodity, in this case silver, and that we were able to attract, partly because of the people involved, good market support and good financial support.
You mentioned specific goals. What kind of strategies do you use to achieve your goals?
The two main goals that we set up when we started were to achieve a substantial resource base of perhaps 150 million ounces, and also to get to cash flow as quickly as we could. In order to accomplish those two goals, we focused on high-grade open pit silver deposits that were already discovered. There had been some work done. There had perhaps been a historical resource on the property that had allowed us to go in and start from not a zero base, but well up the exploration development chain, if you will. We felt that with those types of deposits in our portfolio, we would be able to move relatively quickly to the second objective, which is cash flow.
Okay, so what's your stance in terms of developing the silver resource base?
We have two projects at the moment where we have reported silver resources. The project in El Salvador we've been working on for probably a little better than 2 years now. And there we have about 14 million ounces of silver, indicated and inferred resources. And that deposit also has about 78 million pounds of zinc, which contributes a considerable amount to the gross value of that project. In Mexico, the Santa Elena project, we've just completed a fairly major drill program, and as I mentioned, announced the resources on that project. We think we can move that one along fairly quickly. We will be doing another drill program there this fall with the view to being in a position to make a production decision by mid-2007.
So SilverCrest Mines seems poised to move into the next stage of its development. How do you see SilverCrest SVL developing in the next few years?
As I mentioned, we're very close on two projects in terms of being able to make production decisions. They are projects that we can handle ourselves by way of financing and developing. And those two projects, if either one of them comes on stream in the next 18 months or so, would put us into that cash flow position that I'm trying to achieve.
How do shareholders stay up to date on your activities, and how do potential investors find out more about SilverCrest?
We have an excellent website at www.silvercrestmines.com. We have people in the office that will take calls, not 24 hours a day, but just about any time people call for information, we will get back to them.
Are there any closing comments or remarks that you'd like to make at this time?
Yes, I'd just like to make sure that people understand that we are very confident about where we're going with this company. We have the people, we have the expertise, we have the projects, we can get to cash flow in a reasonable time, and we have the market support and the financial support to accomplish those.